Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks, and in this video I'm going to attempt to show you how to make an icord with this Tulip I-Cord knitter. As you can see, I have managed it. Now this one I could have made it into a nice little kind of friendship bracelet. If you have some sort of sparkly yarn or black shiny yarn or whatever, that would actually make quite a nice little glitzy bracelet. But I made it with this. Now this is just an offcut of some yarn by King Cole that I used a long time ago to make a scarf and hat for our granddaughter Sophia. So this is just what was left over. So it's not difficult, it's tricky. And it can, if you're not careful, you know, when you're first doing it, it can go a bit wrong. So I'm hoping this is only my second attempt that I get it right. So you get your yarn and you've got this little opening here, this little hook, and you go in and you want to, don't worry about where it's going for now. You just want it to go down this center tube, which you just poke it in. If it will. It's really hard to poke into tubes for some reason. Right, there we go. You just need it to go all the way in and come out the bottom. There it is. Now we've got this little weight, and if you press this in, you can, oh, that wasn't very good, I blocked the end. You can see it's very, very spring loaded. So you can put that in, pop it in, and then it's clamped shut, so it's holding your weight. This is going to be tricky for me because I'm going to have to try and show you. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure there is a lip here. See that little lip? It's actually inside there. Now, you've got this little crochet hook. And this hook is to make sure your little latch hooks are down. So if you could see that, there was a little latch hook there. So we turn, hold on to this, and we turn our handle, and you can see the next one coming into play now. Now the little latch hook, I don't know if you can see it, but it is actually down. Just pop it out the way there, so it's definitely the second one. However, we don't want to go over it, we want to go this side. So we place it, we grab our little hook and we make sure it's this side, and we turn the wheel and we want to catch it. It's a pesty little thing when you're trying to show on camera and it won't play the game. Right, we go round. Now this one is actually up, so you want to make sure the latch hook is completely down, and that one can catch it. Didn't though, did it? Is that because I'm not holding it? There we go. It's caught it now. And this one, and down, go all the way down. And we want to go this side of it. So it's only the first four that we worry about that. Okay? So now we're all the way round. We want to hold this, not tight, but we want it to be fairly tight. Now I need to get this in the shot. So I'm holding, letting my weight drop now so that I can, whoop, there we go. It's not, I don't think it's going to work. I think it might have dropped it. I'm not sure. I don't want it to go all freely, but here we go. We just go round. There we are. And the weight is pulling it through. The weight's pulling it through. And you just keep going. Now I'm not holding this yarn tight on the side here. I'm just letting it run through my fingers. The weight of the little weight thingy is pulling it through the center. So that's the technical term for it, guys, the weight thingy. So here we go. I'll get some speed up. The weight's actually quite, I was going to say weighty, but that's just stupid, Trace. If I put this other yarn on the other side of my leg, it won't get tangled up with that one. Here we go. Let's go. Let's get a head of steam going. All we're doing is turning this little knob. So basically, you make sure all your little latch hooks are down, which is probably best to do in the beginning, not as you go like I did it. Make sure your little latch hooks are down. You go under you allow it to go under the first hook, over the second, under the third, over the fourth. And then from that moment on, it's just a case of turning the handle. Now you can turn this handle as much as you want to, you know. It's right, we've got quite a long cord coming out the back now, so I can. Okay, so to end off, it's nice and simple. You snip the yarn. So now we go backwards. Okay, until they're all off, and we can allow it to just, is it off? Are you off? I think it is. Is that off of that one? Yeah. It's not that one. It didn't come off of that one. There we go. Should be off now. We just pull it out. So we have 4 little tiny loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you do is you can get a darning needle, thread this, and then you just go through them. But for the purposes of this, I'm just going to collect them all on this hook. Easier said than done because they're minute. And I can't even see that one. I'm gonna have to get it closer to my eyeball a second, guys, just because I cannot see it. It's really tiny. 1. Okay, I've nearly got it. And there's my last one. I'm just popping them all. There it is. I should have brought a pair of binoculars out. It's actually easier to do this with a darning needle. I'm going to have to get it close to my eyeball again, guys. Right, it's just putting those 4 loops on this minute little crochet hook. And I'm just going to pull that through like that and do a chain. That's not how you end it off. Obviously you can, but you can just get a darning needle, which I forgot to get, and sew them all. Now just undo this by doing that, and there you are. You've got your icord. Ever so easy. Now it's my second attempt, and that's how easy it is. And I'm going to try it with some cotton yarn, and I think that would make a really good bag strap, or a strap of a little tank top. Anything. If you're doing amigurumi, it'd make a good little animal tail. Excellent. Anything that you would use an icord for. But that is the Tulip I-Cord Knitter. So simple. And I made that look complicated, to be honest with you, because all you need to do is see those little latch hooks there. You need to make sure, I'm just in it now, and you pop it down, and then you get the next one, and you get it in there, and you pop it down. Again, the next one, pop it down. Last one. Make sure they're all aiming down like that. And then it's just that you go, let the first one grab the yarn. The next one, you put it over this side. The next one, you're allowed to grab it. And then the next one, you put this side. And then you're just, it's absolutely incredible. So easy. Anyway, that's the Tulip I-Cord Knitter, and that's how you do it. So at the moment, I do have 2 of these. I had 3, but this one is now mine. I decided I wanted to have one. So this is in my shop, Hobby Rocks, which if you haven't already had a look at, is www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. There is a link just under the video for that shop. And there's also, throughout the month of June, there was a discount code of Flaming June 10, capital F, capital J, 10, all one word. So for the next couple of days, you can still use that if you wanted to buy one of these. Absolutely brilliant little contraptions. Well, let me know what you think. Did you like it? So I now got 2 of these, exactly the same. But I'm glad I kept that off cut of yarn, actually. And I could make Sophia a little friendship bracelet. That would be a cool idea. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.